We have been hearing stories and observing it since childhood that whenever humans are put up in some stressful situation, they create something good out of it. Currently, the situation is stressful, and I am sure most of the disruptive personalities amongst us will see this as an opportunity and create something great out of it. Today, we have such disruptive personality amongst us. Her name is Nikita Dattani and she is the founder of Mystery. Her startup works in the domain of pollution and their products help us to protect from hazardous smoke and pollution. I would request all to please watch the video till the end as her insights and experience will be helpful to us.
Hello, I am Nikita Rajesh Dattani. I am here to talk about a few things with Startup Machine. Thank you so much, guys. Youngsters who are aspiring to start up something in this time, sure, I mean, please go ahead if the data, if you've researched enough and if you have conviction in your business that, okay, this is something that is going to work long term, all right? And if I get to see that thing helping me in any way in 10 to 15 years, I mean, sure, I would be more than happy to have a product like that in the market, product, service, whatever. Right, I mean, obviously, the pandemic has hit a lot of people very badly. The situation is bad, but I'm really sure that this is where you buck up yourself and say that the show must go on. And so yes, there are a lot of things that you can do. You can actually trade in this time, a lot of things, but and you can have other streams of incomes being introduced in the existing lines. And passive income is obviously something anyone should go for. Any backup that you can have is more than good to have right now. And the pandemic or the disaster is not something which is going to define you or your company or anything, because a lot of things are being very prominent in these times. And I remember that a lot of great companies that we have right now were not really existing before the Great Depression that we had. And these are really big names. I mean, if you get to see, these are Airbnb, Uber, these are like Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat. And this is very important that you take this up as an opportunity to pivot somewhere wherever you're going wrong, or something which is going to be very prominent in your business. Or I'm going to be like, okay, if this is going to be our new times, how are we going to change things that we are already doing for something better, obviously for the sales, or that's just going to restructure your company in a way that it is going to be very much more resilient. Look at it as an opportunity. I really don't see sectors as such. Now people are talking about technologies that and technologies are applicable now in almost every other sector that we see. And so it's always going to be more of you getting if you getting upgraded in a way that you now know about all the great technologies that we are getting introduced to. You say blockchain, AI, all these have very wide applications, and most of the developed countries are already looking into a lot of these technologies. And so I really think that now people are moreover going to talk about as entrepreneur, or I think in my generation I really look at things, or look at startups, or look at new things coming in picture which are technology centric rather than anything so far. So Mystery came into existence when I was sitting in the first year of my master's, and there was this lecture from Adira on technical textiles, and they spoke about nanofiber. And me being from commerce background, I had no clue what they were talking about. All right, and the professor was going on and on about a lot of chemicals and processes and electrospinning, and I was like, okay, this is something very interesting because its properties were very interesting. The application was understood by me and it was nice, but I had no clue how things worked out to be. And I actually, asked a lot of silly questions in that class and was called forward to sit on the first bench and be like, okay, now tell me. And but yes, that kind of worked out. And you really would be surprised that I actually went ahead to know more about the technology, to research a lot about it, to research about the Indian markets after that, and to come up with a product which is very comfortable to people. And more of the ideology that came was that I personally had dust allergy. Then every other day I would open in Shots or any news application that we now have and see that okay, living in Delhi is like smoking 12 cigarettes. And I was like, all right, this needs some change. Japanese or Chinese personally that you would see anywhere, I think on news or any pictures, and you would see them wearing a mask, and that is what I was introduced to. And I was like, okay, this is a daily wear item, this can have a huge demand, and this is not yet there in India, but eventually it will be. And so that was the idea, that was the complete idea, that okay, this is something which works and has to be there, because pollution is on the peak. And so the fundamentals added up for me, saying that okay, this is something which is going to be long term beneficial. And it obviously had to be there has to be a lot of awareness in the Indian market for mystery, that okay, today also people are like, there's this big pandemic going on and people would still go ahead and wear any cloth or anything, and they'll be like, okay, we are like safe, and then they get viruses and COVID-19, and then they be like, uh-oh. And that's when mystery comes in picture and says that okay, you need to wear an N95 mask for that virus to not get in. And because it's very tiny and it's not visible to human eyes, and if it had been something like water you can see it's dirty and you would not drink it, and that's just 5 liters of water that we drink every day. And the 11,000 liters of air that we breathe every day is legit so impure or so polluted that we really don't realize that okay, this is something that we are taking in inside our body. It's actually going to go and mix with your blood, and it's like a slow poison. And it was a very pressing point for me that something has to be done about this, because there has to be a common way that people can protect themselves somehow. And so mystery was the answer for that, all of it. As I said, it's very easy in the beginning because you're very energetic and you'll be like, okay, this is something which is going to change the world and I'm going to do it. And but as in when you go forward with the idea and you kind of realize that okay, this is something that you need to do, you need to set up machineries, you need to get this, and then it starts getting difficult. Then you get a reality check saying that okay, this is something huge, and probably you don't have enough funds for it, probably you don't have enough expertise for it. A lot of questions come into picture, and you just have to battle it like one thing at a time, and you have to go forward and do it, because at the end of the day, this is something that there were reasons for you to start. So whenever you are in doubt, you always go back to those reasons and see them, that okay, why did I start in the first place? And you get your answers, you really get forward with it. And it's very much important to have the base values, the base reasons, the base very strong for yourself. at all times. It gets easier. I think then one thing leads to the next and you keep going that way. It's like a snowball effect that comes into picture after that. The most common one that I have seen is that there is a lot of distraction today that we see. I'm not saying that it does not provide enough opportunities or anything, but it's very important for yourself to compose yourself in a way that is going to yield to something, because I think to come up with something original, to come up with something which is going to add value, to find answers to difficult questions like, is it going to help anybody, is anybody going to buy it in the first place, you really need to be with yourself and think about it through, and that really requires your attention. And because the attention span today is like seconds, you really need to take difficult calls in your life, like uninstalling Instagram or Snapchat or anything. I have not been on Snapchat since last years. I don't even remember. And for Instagrams, I've kept only Sundays. I would download it and uninstall it again, because it takes a lot of my time, and it takes a lot of everybody's time for what I heard from people. And I think for more on this, you can read Deep Work. It will actually tell you why is it very important to sit and actually think about problems on a stretch. And most of the prominent celebrities, I think, or in the tech world also do this. Bill Gates does that, and he has think weeks. There can be a system when you shut yourself from everything and just think about one thing, and then you come up with something extraordinary. This is the ideology, but you really can read the book for more of it. And there is something called as culture that is very important, and that is also a very strong point for a lot of places. I have also been introduced to this very lately, and I realized that there has to be a base theme to the organization. There has to be an undercurrent that goes, if your company stands for care, if your company stands for protection, if your company stands for integrity, loyalty, whatever, and so that has to be there in each and every employee that you recruit. And the culture formulates and has effects which are unforeseen. So if you have care in your company, this is going to show in each and every place, and which is going to manifest to something which is greater, which is the company in itself. And so I think those values, that culture is very important. And even I've seen myself not paying good attention to it, and eventually you come to realize that, okay, this is something very, very important. So Mystery is actually on a mission of to develop things which are more than which is just not selling products, but it is also going to be in the space wherein it can actually technologically entice a lot of products related to selling pure air or air quality, or environmentally, which are going to be revolutionary at one point or other. And it's not just going to be AQI or something that we're going to show, but it's actually going to be something which is going to add value to each and every person's life in some or other way. I think Mystery has had a major setback in a way that most of our societies see a lot of times, that it's not always going to be wherein you are going to get the environment that you prefer, or it's most of the times that being a woman entrepreneur or even for guys, it's always like by the age you understand or you get into something like this is about in your initial 20s or late 20s or whenever. Age is not a factor, I'm saying, but these are the times that a lot of prominent decisions are to be taken for your own life, and in the kind of requirements that a startup has or a business has in these times is huge, and you cannot sometimes cope up with all of it. So there has to be a good amount of balance around you, and that has to come with a lot of negotiating or convincing skills that you can have for that. But yes, the society is patriarchal at times to you. There are times wherein you are at points wherein you cannot find good enough people for the startup, mentors for the startup. There are a lot of hardships that one can face, and it's not that India is going to have something like Thiel Fellowship. So to gauge a business idea or to validate a business idea, there has to be trial runs for the business. There has to be prototypes for the products that you have, and as in when you collect data on the reactions or the feedback that the customer gives you, that is going to be the biggest validation one can get. But obviously there is going to be a smaller number of sample size that you can reach out to and do this. But before that, if you really wish to get a view as to how the Indian consumer is actually going to react in a way that is that how his mindset functions or how his brain is wired, you can actually go ahead and read this book called We Are Like That Only. And this book is phenomenal. I mean, when I read it, it was so insightful, and it is really worth the investment. So go ahead, read it, and you will get to know a lot about how Indian consumer has reasons for everything, and how his psychology functions on a lot of things. Yes, these are very important years of your life, and financial security is very important. And obviously always have backups to yourself, saying that for entrepreneurship it's very important to be logical. Getting all in is not a problem, but this is not a gamble. It's always going to be you in it, and a lot of conviction of yourself, but there always has to be reserve for bad times, and reserves and surpluses are something which are very important to any balance sheet. So why not yours? And yes, it is it has to be a part of you. You cannot start a business which you are not into, you're not passionate about. It's just lucrative for some time and then it's gone. But because you are attached to it, you have to be creating a goodwill for your own self. It is always you who's going to be on a parameter, building your own confidence to things. If one thing doesn't work, fine, 2, 3, 4, fine, but sustain yourself and make sure that you think it through before leaping in. Obviously give your best, and then if it works out, it's great. If it doesn't, it's fine, on to the next one. And yes, there has to be a lot of character in yourself as well when you build these things. And there is a very amazing book called The Fountainhead. It is a novel kind of a book, but it's not a self-help book, what normally entrepreneurs are used to. But yes, this book is actually going to give you a lot of character. It's going to give you a lot of integrity. It's going to show you what passion is for work. And yes, so of course, if you have time in the lockdowns and this time, yeah, go ahead, read it. It's going to be amazing. It's actually going to be one of the books that changes something in you.